Hello wonderful people. Thank you once again for making time to watch this video. So today, we shall be talking about nutmeg. Yes, nutmeg. I believe a great number of us know nutmeg, especially our dear wives, mothers, girlfriends, sisters and others. My gentlemen, please relax. I know you guys are also wonderful in the kitchen, hence you know too. Anyways, that is just by the way. Without wasting much time. What is nutmeg? Nutmeg, also known as Myristica fragrans, is a spice that is commonly used in baked goods, holiday treats, ethnic cuisine, and beverages. The spice is produced by grinding nutmeg seeds that come from a flowering plant of the Myristicaceae family, sometimes called the nutmeg family, native to Africa, Asia, and the Pacific Islands. The spice has a sweet taste and is often paired with other sweet spices including cinnamon, clove, and allspice. While nutmeg is commonly used in cooking and baking, some also use the spice or its essential oil to gain a nutmeg high. Using the ingredient in this way can have serious side effects. Historically, grated nutmeg was used as a sachet, and the Romans used it as incense. Around 1600 it became important as an expensive commercial spice in the Western world and was the subject of Dutch plots to keep prices high and of English and French counterplots to obtain fertile seeds for transplantation. The nutmeg sold whole were dipped in lime to prevent their sprouting. Health benefits. Nutmeg is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect against the signs of aging and serious conditions such as cancer, heart disease, and liver disease. Nutmeg also may provide other health benefits such as dental health. Nutmeg oil is used in several dental products. The spice has antibacterial properties that have proven particularly effective against oral pathogens that cause disease and bad breath. Improved mood. One study found that nutmeg acted as a potential antidepressant in male rats, and the spice has been used for its invigorating properties in folk medicine. Better sleep. A little nutmeg has been shown to aid sleep, both in duration and quality. However, higher quality, human studies are needed to validate this effect. Nutrition. Nutmeg is rich in fiber, which helps keep the digestive system healthy and prevent blood sugar from spiking. It's also a source of 1. Vitamin A, 2. Vitamin C, 3. Vitamin E, 4. Manganese, 5. Magnesium, 6. Copper, 7. Phosphorus, 8. Zinc, 9. Iron. Nutrients per serving. 1 teaspoon serving of nutmeg contains 1. Calories, 12. 2. Protein, 0 grams. 3. Fat, 1 gram. 4. Carbohydrates, 1 gram. 5. Fiber, 0 grams. 6. Sugar, 1 gram. Portion sizes. Nutmeg is safe in small amounts. However, as little as 2 teaspoons or 5 grams can cause some symptoms of toxicity. At larger amounts, symptoms become worse and serious complications or death can occur. Cases of nutmeg poisoning generally involve either people who try to use the spice as a recreational hallucinogenic or young children who take it unaware. Therefore do not place it at the reach of children. What does it taste like? Nutty and slightly sweet, nutmeg is an intense spice that has a strong and distinct aroma. For those who are more sensitive to heat, nutmeg might seem almost spicy. How to use nutmeg? Nutmeg can be purchased in whole or ground form. The ground spice is commonly found in almost every grocery store. If you choose to purchase whole nutmeg seeds to grind yourself, you may need to visit a specialty market or purchase it online. Nutmeg has a long culinary history and can be part of both sweet and savory dishes. Ground nutmeg is known to lose its flavor quickly. For that reason, some cooks choose to buy it whole. Whole nutmeg seeds stay fresh indefinitely, so you can simply grind what you need and save the rest for later. Nutmeg is a common ingredient in many cuisines, including European and Indian. There are many ways to add nutmeg to your diet, including 1. Add it to coffee, hot chocolate, tea, or warm milk. 2. Use it to season vegetables such as cauliflower and sweet potato. 3. Sprinkle over oatmeal or other breakfast cereals. 4. Sprinkle over fruit for an added kick. 5. Bake with it. Nutmeg is a key ingredient in many baked goods. 6. Add to seasonal beverages such as eggnog, mulled cider, and mulled wine. 7. Use it in fall dishes, such as ones that feature pumpkin or other winter squashes. Try cooking dishes from southern and southeastern Asia or visit a new restaurant that offers the cuisine. The spice comes from Indonesia, and it features prominently in the food from this part of the world. How to store nutmeg. Store ground nutmeg in an airtight container away from heat, light, and moisture. When stored properly, ground nutmeg will retain its freshness for approximately 6 months. Whole nutmeg will stay fresh indefinitely, but should always be stored away from heat and moisture. If you use nutmeg only occasionally, buying whole nutmeg is the best option because each time it is grated it will provide fresh, fragrant, and flavorful spice. Please consult a health professional before consuming nutmeg. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.